displacement is the change in position. For example, the library is 200 meters south of your home. If you walk from your home to library, then your displacement is 200 meters south.
You can see in previous demonstration that displacement is only about start and end.
You can see there are 3 moving animals. Although they move differently, all their displacements are 300 meters, northeast.
But they have traveled different distances. The koala has moved a total distance of 490 meters. The dog has moved a total distance of 640 meters. The cow has moved a total distance of 300 meters. You can see that having the same displacement does not necessarily mean they move the same distance. To make it easier to manage and understand, we will first investigate displacement and distance in one dimension. For one-dimensional movement, the object only moves left and right. In order to simplify our writing, we will use positive values to represent movement to the right and negative values to represent movement to the left.
You can see there are 3 moving animals. Although they move differently, all their displacements are -1. No matter how they move before they end, all of them has same starting point and ending points, so they have same displacement.
Unlike displacement, distance is all about the total ground covered. All 3 animals traveled 9 units, but their displacement are +9, +3 and +3 respectively.
The screen shows the positions and path of a particle in 3 specific moments. In the first moment, the particle haven't start moving, the displacement and distance are 0. In the second moment, the particle has moved to position -3, the displacement is -3, and distance traveled is 3, since distance is always positive. In the third moment, the particle then moved 2 units to right, landing at position -1, so the displacement is -1. For distance, the distance traveled is 5, since it traveled 3 units then 2 units, so the total distance traveled is 5.
Here is another example. In the first moment, the particle haven't start moving, the displacement and distance are 0. In the second moment, the particle has moved to position +4, the displacement is +4, and distance traveled is 4. In the third moment, the particle then moved backward by 1 unit to left, landing at position +3, so the displacement is +3. For distance, the distance traveled is 5, since it traveled 4 units then 1 unit, so the total distance traveled is 5.
Here is an exercise for you to test your understanding. Please pause and try to finish it, then check your answer.
Here is the answer. Thank you for watching.